Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something new, the Hepco&Becker Epic Tankbags. Check it out. As you can see, I have two of them. This is the 3 liter and this is the 6 liters. The system works as following. You have the tank ring and this system, and once you click it in here, and this will be mounted at the bottom of the tank bag, something like this, and the whole system will be mounted something like this. So basically what you need to do is you mount this to your tank. It will be mounted like this and it will also stay like this. And the back will be mounted to this plate. So the benefits of using this system is that your tank will not be scratched with straps. I personally don't like the use of straps, so that's why I chose for this system. Alright, so let's continue with mounting this to the tank. So let's start by removing the original bolts. And since this plate will be mounted on the bottom of the bags, it's fully adjustable. This way you can decide if you want it back more to the front or to the back. Alright guys, there are a couple of holes. I will mount it precisely in the middle, like this. They give you a lot of screws, but I don't need everything. Alright, since the plates are mounted on the bottom, let me show you how easy it is to mount the bags. So if you need a bit extra of space, unzip this. And to give you an idea how big it is, let me show you. I would say 2 cans of Monster. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a better understanding now how easy it is to use these bags, how it works with the straps underneath, and how much cans of Monster Energy fit in the bags. I hope to see you next time. Subscribe and like to the channel. See you later.